Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. Before we get started, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out any new videos coming out. So this month I have a really simple and easy recipe for you guys. I'm going to show you how to make this 5 ingredients peanut butter noodle sauce. These 5 ingredients are the base of the sauce and you can add to them whatever you like. With that said, let's go. Here's what you'll need. I'm using chunky sugar-free peanut butter, so it adds some crunch to it. Over medium heat, add the peanut butter, soy sauce, maple syrup, garlic. I used it with 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, but you don't have to. The water, and mix it till thick to your liking. Add the noodles, about 400 grams, and toss it around between 2 to 5 minutes, depending on the noodles instructions. Transfer to a bowl, garnish with some scallions, chili pepper, and a slice of lemon, and enjoy. Sorry about the lighting there. Trust me, the lemon adds a lot of flavor to it, so try it. You know what? I'll just take this one away. Let me know in the comments below if you've made it and what did you serve it with. This is what it looks like without the lemon. Like I said, it adds a lot. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit.